too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you'll get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Other for me mamo akwaba ede eba too much GH so ekes kapa enemy na gano wahala dwumedie na ebre aso se mede ebe so much for ede etiefo ewe ye fidie kase so se de ebe ya wonsusu awo ofie wo we adwa so baby biara wo bia no etimi de wadwencha wo fa eye ensebi ho etimi abetu eye edwa ede amaye na enede television presenter ebiom so saye entrepreneur which Lawrence from Paul some adonani delay for a delay show with any delay macro delay spaghetti and no match as a war a day a war on now everything for another yenya baby about one and then someone did to the day now NSM. I don't reconcile with people I fight with, not just a what you say and as I say we will be a one war enya and topa when to win treatment me was it about a young anthem. That's a what me a casa crampo. I might be a one trani young Edwin Pepper. So now must have by whom come maybe a we are about or be a so fetch me and one on what the better by pass say. Was a reconciling, say, be our no was a bear, you fat a beam party, and I just say, a beba a year and so the Biara Edda. Now, you near Bano, Eden and 2 a done a watch as said, a boy on my a year pa, which meeting Sipia, and whom you may be out there one what I say, a for the trouble, and that pie, your movie, and maybe a cabusha for near the phone me the accounts later on. Ube woman, now woman so as I a casubu, now almost and I'm no woman. A day a woman, a woman. The Luna woman is said, or no pan, they want to be a year be the Biarada. Now, all 12 workers said, and can a year and to 4 a woman. Who will me now? Our fathers from our bed, the same young. Now we'll swap another swap at this one, the same young. What they say a year be a year will be we are about the same young. But when they talk on now, more air, and so a year collabo, and as a woman so aside the woman as a shana, woman a young, the woman and party, I say, and as a woman and a yemmy, not woman any agent, no woman edging. Who said then I will give one take a year as yet. Who said then I will not come second. I want to say the dead cry. Now, I don't know what you have said to the watch as said. Somewhere, some time back, and probably your mother or mobile. I am a mobile social media so and your mobile and send the now and away can and man phobic crown porno one more every single a so as a day one more comments now one more at the air banner not just one more edge that's one more get one more cost any or no delay now so later on any panasa for phone no as a friend say hey say and I say what drink one ya no want take a year as you know when ya dear say a profitable bet me one every a year now every then someone will do a 2 a year and say and can say I have made an observation that in this industry when someone wants to be free, they start to throw shots at you, at the person. If it is a musician, he or she will make a diss track and insult the other person, sometimes even affecting the person's wife or family. The next minute, you see the same person who insulted the other collaborating on a project. Some time back, someone decided to beat me, took my issue to her page, and started throwing shots at me. Then I saw people I didn't think I have issue with go on the same page and try to inflame the fight by urging the person to throw me home. I saw one lady after making unpleasant comments about me try to call pretending they had not said anything. But no me, I totally shut her down. we ene eye ne nsem a wodi etu edwa se wono de one reconcile with any obi a wo be kwa ka ne ho asem ana so wo be kwa di ne ho konkonsa wo be hwe se wo bi eni na tem social media so wo bi a wasan so ene wa ba besere na wasan so ene wa sa tina se wo to check a commodity enya de se ebi ebesida na wonu obi esi na brabom na se nipa no a wo totoma no kama na odi nsem no etu edwa ewie na Ghana for ekada ho ususu se wo kwa wo ye hwan ya eden ya na wo kwa wo ye mo de nipa be chire ko e wasasi so there be eda enti so obi afom ana obi aye bi na ene wo hwe na nipa no eka ene fine ko be bi tire na so odi be to social media so eka se ani ene you don't reconcile with people you fight it or who fight with you na when na dey ena every they say trend na wo plan na wo because you delay atre aye bo obi a obi enu wo ti bi ma na wo hwe ni ti no wo pese won sa eba social media so man ko emi me twa wada packet na wo plan na say na wo so ati na kwan edi wo ma television na enne bi no mo so eka say the work can dey ne kwan so a eni because e be ya so obi baba banti no abeye this song no dey do atem edi wo yire wo ma edi wo push of what and now later on obeba say it was just for trend it was just say on subaba limelight as nem ko dey wu na enu nti no wasa aba be collabo na wo sa ne neti wo na ne nesi wo say nyanse bia enu eti delay e what can we do a year can say which means nothing more in shower that pa na wo san katani wo chamada pa for trend and meeting na shame jai amanaka ofo wo mo eso a e na wo mbeko so a edi wo mu ensem na ebusofo ye di esem delay some work we did say the work can all point and I say only point for what didn't our break oh too much in the comment section like the videos na share our all the social media platforms so midi e the FPC kapa that's the year was share.
The major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asonden ti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura